everybody, it's me, Ashley, your favorite Atlanta realtor. So today we're still in Conyers and we're seeing this amazing home. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 5,000 square foot home. So come on, let's get into it. So right now we're gonna start with the formal dining room area over here. So we have the formal dining room, lots of space over here. You can have a big dining room table. Over here, I would say this could be pretty much an office, a library, a study, whatever you want it to be, even a bedroom. You know, even though it doesn't have a closet, but it could be a bedroom if you wanted to. Then we have a 1-bedroom on the first level. And then it also has the bathroom. So you can go into the bathroom through your room, or you can just have people walk straight into the bathroom as well, which is always nice to have. This one is a full bath, shower. And then we have over here, we have high ceilings. I love high ceilings on houses. It just makes you feel like you just have so much more space. So this house has high ceilings and it has a fireplace for you. I believe it's a gas or electric. I have to check to see, but you do have a fireplace as well. And then you also have a wonderful open floor plan, open concept, which is like amazing. You have, look at this big island. You have a super mega island. If you want to eat, do whatever. I love big islands. And I love this, the countertop, this type of granite. It's a really nice, different countertop over here. So you have stainless steel appliances, and you have pantry over here, another closet, and then the garage over there as well. Then you have another storage. And then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna look outside because you do have some yard space. So you have, you know, a little bit of yard space back here, but you have a nice little view of everything. So you can, you know, put a fence up if you want, whatever is, you know, your space, which is nice. And then we're gonna continue and we're gonna go upstairs. So upstairs is the master and the rest of the bedrooms. So this home is in Conyers, Georgia, in a very nice community. Quiet, peaceful. You definitely would enjoy this community as well. This is the wash machine and dryer over there. And again, we have another amazing, lots of space master. So this master has lots of closet space. You have one closet over here. You have a fireplace as well. And then you even have this other area where you can have your office. You can have, if you have kids, you can have like the nursery be right over here. So it's a lot of space for whatever you want. This is a nice size master. Then we're going to be getting into the master bath. You have tub, shower, and then you have his and her sinks. And then you also get over here and you have another mega closet as well. So you have 2 big closets, so you will always have closet space. You won't run out of that here. So we're going to continue to the other 3 bedrooms that we have. So over here, this is one of the bedrooms, and this bedroom has its own bathroom. So it has its own bathroom right here, and full bath, shower, tub, you know, got its own personal. And then the other 2 bedrooms, they share a bathroom. So So they will be doing a Jack and Jill type of bathroom. So we have 2 bedrooms. This is the 2nd bedroom. Nice size closet you have. And then we also have the Jack and Jill bathroom. So this one, you have 2 sinks, and they share the tub and the toilet. It has another nice size closet, which is the same. So they're pretty much literally like the same room size and closet size, and they just share a bathroom. So I would say that's the end of the tour for this home. But if you're looking for any homes in Conyers or anywhere in Atlanta, Georgia area, you could just contact me and I can help you find whatever you're looking for. I also do apartment locating, where I can help you if you're looking to rent as well. I can help you get into anything that you need, any condos, high rises also. And then for all my media work, I work with ATL Media Pros, so you can contact them also if you need any type of media work as well. So I just want to say thank you guys and have a great day.